Hello, in front of me I've got Renault ARKANA. In this video I'll show you how to set navigation route. To start navigation route, let's go to Navigation, Destination, and now find address, previous destinations, favorite destinations, or more. Select the address and tap Go. To stop navigation route,
Please turn next left.
select Cancel route. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.